again. Patrick Marleau facing off against Nathan MacKinnon of the Avalanche. And here we go. MacKinnon, Riley, Landeskog, the forward line. Shot whistles wide of the net. And Karam's around the boards, kept in. Burns, who's playing defense. Look, he's been a defenseman in his career with Minnesota. A little bit was San Jose, but there's a shot that gets tipped to the side of the net. Bangs it off the board, sending it back into the Shark zone. No icing on the play. Vlasic will take it from his goaltender. Antti Niemi, a steal. Here's a chance. Cutting across, shot, and it was tipped wide. Wraparound try again, and covered by Niemi.
I mean, this is just good forechecking by this line, and this line's had some good jump early. You see, MacKinnon is right there. I mean, his pressure caused that turn.
Number 11 for the Avalanche. The guy to watch for the Sharks, number 25 for San Jose. That's his brother Ty. Centering pass in front, and Varlamov got run over, but he makes the save. Chipped into the corner. San Jose, they haven't been great on the penalty kill this season. Ranked 17th in the league, 21st on the road. Centered, shot, save. And the rebound comes to MacKinnon. Earlier this season, went over the 1,200-point mark. Let's see the speed for MacKinnon. We've seen it early in this shot. Glove save made by Niemi. Centered high in the slot, stretching. Burns, long reach, able to gather it in, cuts across. And he got decked as he came into the crease area. To the point, shot, score! A sizzling shot from the blue line by Mirko Mule.
Offensive pair.
There's a couple of shots there, Peter.
Oh, a couple of shots, but he's 6'3", 205. Everybody in San Jose says the same thing. Reminds him a lot of Vlasic. Pardon me, when he first broke into the National.
Muscle his way along the boards, towards the corner. Gonna bounce off a hit, does so. Back to the point, tipped on net, save. Thornton down low, back in it. What a save! And a shot at the post. Another shot. No! Wow! Unbelievable! Unbelievable!
4 chances, Mike, to score. 1, there's right there the tip. 2 coming across the pad save. 3, it hits the crossbar. And 4, Thornton shoots it back into the glove body of Varlamov. Hurdle at the end of the whole play. Watch Thornton right here. The puck comes across to him, and he shoots it and
scoop up the puck for the Sharks. Up the wall, tap pass into the head, down the wing, and Burns jumping up in the flood. His pass centered in front. Another nice save by Varlamov, and there was Nieto again crashing the net in the Avalanche zone. Peter,
they're getting that puck, and they're entering and driving at the net, and you know.
Pavelski cutting across. He's there. He shoots. Another nice save made by Varlamov. Dangerous. Pavelski, I mean, it's just the size that makes you think of it, but a little touch of that Dustin Buffalo in terms of just kind of around the ice, moving around just with that size, doesn't he?
Well, no, he's got to put on about 50 pounds.
The puck again covered by Varlamov. Opening for the Avalanche to keeping the puck in the San Jose zone. Barry backhands it deep. And a collision between Landeskog and Tanguay. Landeskog is on top of the puck. And long enough for a West Center zone with possession. On for the defenseman Mueller. Shoots it around the shelf. Scooped up by Thornton. Skates behind the Avalanche net. Still controlled. Centered. Shot blocked. Shot by Arrow. Another save by Varlamov. Blocked by Burns. Chipped the puck but did not get it away. Back to the point. Hayda drills it. And that blocked in front. Here's a chance. Diving save by Antti Niemi. With 1.5 seconds left to go, Niemi. Middle, again, has to go off his skate. Kicks in. Chasing the puck. Works his way along the end boards. Vlasic turns it around and out to center ice. Couture coming in. Going by Johnson. He digs, he turns, he shoots and misses the net. And the puck still low.
For the San Jose Sharks. Watch him. Like, he didn't even look like he was moving, and he just blew by the defense.
Deceptive speed
exactly, but he is a terrific player. I mean, he's one of the really good young players in this league. You know, and they certainly turned it around. 3-0 win last night over Montreal.
Burns behind the net. The hand took a hit. It's in front. Shot tipped wide by Talon. Then Burns crunched out. Pass comes across for Duchesne. Poke checked away, but Johnson deep in the zone. Gets the puck towards Duchesne, he gives to Johnson, he shoots, and Antti Niemi with the full story.
But you know what else I found yesterday talking with Jamie? If you're a dad, you're proud of your sons. What good people they are. You know, because he was so happy for his brother. I'm telling you, you could feel how happy he was for his brother going to get his, get a chance to play against him.
Sharks with the puck in the ad zone. Turnaround shot by Ty McGinn. Shot saved by Varlamov. And the rebound comes up high and carried to center. Danny Briere into the zone. He winds, he shoots. And the blocker save made by the point for Burns. Looking for an open, he shoots. And that puck gets to the net in a hurry. Off of Varlamov. And Mueller, the defenseman, deep in the zone. Dropped it along the boards for Tierney to take. Turns and shoots. Stick save made by Barbieri. Has the puck around the boards. Waiting at the point. The Mariners to Tierney. Back to the Mariners. One-timer. Knocked down. And the shot gets stuck up the middle. Marlowe stretched but could not keep it in. Back across for Thornton. Scissors a pass across for Couture. Centered for Pavelski. Shot diving save made by Varlamov. He has just been absolutely amazing. He was one of the Vezina Trophy candidates.
And why he ended up as the #1 non-center iceman as far as votes in the Hart Trophy, which goes to most valuable player. 4th in voting.
Again, the puck. Threw it back behind him for Hayden to take. Gives to Johnson. Takes his time. Shoots the puck ahead. The Avalanche have got a chance here. Tanguay cuts across. He's there. He shoots. He's gone.
He lobs it all the way down, hoping for a little break like that. It just bounced off Burns and then Tanguay. That was Logan Couture back there.
That big body. He gets hit from behind by Landeskog and knocked down. He gets back up, digging for the puck. Tangay's got it underneath him. It comes free for Pavelski. Back to the point for Mueller. Cross for Burns. Shoots. Save. Rebound is there. Oh, what a saving. A penalty gets called. Landeskog is in the penalty box. A cross-checking penalty called at 15:54. So Landeskog in. Mariners down the slot. Back in a great save. Rebound. No! I can't believe what I'm seeing. That was amazing. Wow. Long off though. Unbelievable. Over the line comes Wingle. Shipped into the corner. Tipped in front. Shot by Wingles. Another great save by Varlamov.
500. We got another home game. We got some more games at home here. I mean, let's get going.
Pass through the middle from Landeskog. Coming wide. He shoots. He's gone! There it was. Right there for the captain.
Shot. It seemed to be a little bit of a bad angle, but Landeskog comes in, goes strong to the net, and punches one to the far side of net. His 4th goal of the season.
By Eric Johnson. Finds Mitchell. Skates onside. His pass broken up. Couture out to center ice. Wingles closing on him is Hayda. Wingles cut around him. Down the middle for the trailer. The shot. Banged off the post. Rebound scored. And the game is tied at 2 on Logan Couture.
And it comes right to the guy. Nice play across the board. But he was able to come in, punch it, and just, fire it home. The Avalanche have guys down.
Nice pass. Pavelski. Save made by Varlamov. Oh my, has he been great. Back towards the Marlowe side of the net for Thornton, centered in the slot. Pavelski shoots, and once again, like a brick wall, Semyon Varlamov makes the.
You look at a power play like this for the San Jose Sharks, and you see the hockey hands that are on display for this power play.
You almost wonder why they don't score every time. Comes Redmond, so a great penalty kill. Sharks are 0 for 4. They had 2 shots during that last power play. Here's a chance. Oh! What a save by Niemi. Robbed him with the glove. Back behind the net. Used his shoulder to give himself a little room. Loose puck behind the cage. Tierney. Round for Talbot. Boy, they have again moving the puck, getting possession of the San Jose zone and controlling things. Johnson centering catch. Back in, hit the post. It's loose in front, still loose. Oh my, what a chance there for the Avalanche. Round for Demers in front. Shot by Morrow. Safe rebound. Knocked down. It's still loose. Boy, both teams have had some chances here in the 3rd period. Demers, McKinnon closing on him. Makes a pass for Marlowe. McKinnon stole away the puck. He steps around. He's there. He shoots. Block. Save. And the puck comes wide of the net. Back up the boards. Hayda slides it across for Johnson. He shoots. Tip. Five again. The puck goes wide. They are hungry right now, this Avalanche team. Demers lost the puck. Loose in front. Backhand inside. Picked up by Johnson. Avs are really controlling it. Shot. Glove. Saved by Niemi. Coming wide. Curls to the boards. Still with possession. Shot wide of the net. Avalanche have got it. 10 seconds left to go. Again, shot slowed up in front. Niemi dives on top. Wide of the net. Back around for Barron. Cutting it across. High. One-timer. And it's off of Niemi. Center. Shot. Chance. Down low. Shot saved by Niemi right at the buzzer. It's going to be the Sharks. Patrick Marleau going first. He shoots. He scores. On Semyon Varlamov. Pavelski scores. Boy, he sent a hard wrist shot. Here. Going wide. Coming in. He deeps and a save by Niemi. And San Jose prevails, and they pick up the second.